Apply shaving foam to the mop. This trick was shared with me by a luxury hotel cleaner. Shaving foam is more than just a shaving product. It has cleaning and degreasing properties and removes tough stains. Its ingredients, such as glycerin and moisturizing agents, give surfaces a polished look. Cover the mop with shaving foam and gently spread it across the floor. Shaving foam also neutralizes unpleasant odors. Now, fill a bucket with water and add fabric softener and vinegar. The fabric softener leaves a pleasant scent and makes the floor more resistant to dust buildup. It also has an anti-static effect. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a natural cleaner with disinfecting and degreasing properties. It effectively removes dirt and bacteria. Soak the mop in the prepared solution and wipe the entire floor. The combination of shaving foam, fabric softener, and vinegar creates an exceptional cleaning mix. This method not only leaves the floor sparkling clean, but also keeps it fresh for longer and less prone to dust accumulation. No wonder professionals in luxury hotels use it.